new developments in the investigation of a Central Police officer accused of padding his timesheet. Lieutenant Huey Haley was arrested last month on payroll fraud and malfeasance charges. Baton Rouge defense attorney Lewis Unglesby taking up this case, saying what Central PD did to his client is unfair. Bess Cashley spoke with him and has the response from Chief Roger Corcoran.
Well, Michael, Unglesby says not only did Haley actually work the nearly 350 hours the department is accusing him of fudging, he says his client is being targeted for his political ambitions.
The charges in Central against my client, Huey Haley, are ill-founded.
Well-known Baton Rouge defense attorney Lewis Unglesby is alleging former Central Police Lieutenant Huey Haley was unjustly targeted.
No, we don't agree that he did anything improper whatsoever.
Haley was arrested last month for allegedly falsifying pay records over a year-long span.
The jail time reality, unlikely.
According to the arrest warrant, Haley reported nearly 350 hours he did not work and took home an extra $7,600 for it. The warrant also says that on 14 timesheets, he reported working on days he was not working, totaling 146 hours.
He was a training officer for Central.
Unglesby says Haley was working when he said and claims he can prove it in court, but declined to provide us with any additional information.
If he put him down, he worked him, yeah.
Unglesby says the only reason this happened is because Haley had ambitions to run for police chief against Corcoran in the next election.
I don't think he didn't have a problem with Cochran, but I think he had ambitions to eventually take Cochran's job.
In a statement sent to us, Central Police Chief Roger Corcoran says that the arrest warrant, as well as Haley's timesheets, speak for themselves. He also adds that he wishes him well as they proceed through the court process. Corcoran denies the allegations and says he was shocked to find the discrepancies in Haley's time cards. He had recently promoted Haley to lieutenant.
This is most unpleasant for him and very unfair.
Haley, who also works full-time at Dixon Correctional, was placed on suspension until this week.
There's an assistant warden at the state correctional facility.
And according to Unglesby, has returned to work there.
Well, I think it shows that he's an excellent officer and that he's got a long-time positive record and that they believe in him.
Haley ultimately resigned from the police department. If he's found guilty of malfeasance in office, he will not be allowed to work in law enforcement in the state. Michael.